So I also wanted to get your take on this story as well, Joshua. A social media influencer charged with inciting a riot after an event in New York City got completely out of control. We have a clip. Here's a look. Just amazing, that crowd. So popular streamer Kai Cenat had promised to give away gift cards and gaming consoles in Union Square on Friday, but it was absolute mayhem. The crowd of mostly teen boys destroyed police cars and vendor cards. They threw paint cans and climbed on top of passing cars. At least 65 people were arrested, including Cenat. He was charged with inciting a riot and promoting an unlawful gathering. Police released him the very next morning. So, Joshua, what's your take on the charges he's now facing?
Yeah, I mean, they've charged him with inciting a riot. They've charged him with a public disturbance. It's important to bear in mind, too, that inciting a riot doesn't necessarily mean a violent riot. You can incite a riot if you're just looking for bedlam or chaos, and it looks like that's what turned up here. But it's really, they're going to have to go back to his actions and words and how did they somehow play a role in all of that. You know, this happens all the time, these kind of flash mob sort of scenarios where people are doing a giveaway and it's all for kind of, credit on social media. And so you can't really blame him for that unless it looks like his words or actions were encouraging that. And it does seem as though some of the reports coming out about things that at least he was expecting was to some degree of chaos, but was it to this degree? We don't know. And I guess that investigation is what they're looking into.
Absolutely. And it does appear from some other videos that were posted as well that he may not have known that the turnout would be this large. So we'll see how this one plays out. Joshua Ritter, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.